So what are auxiliary verbs? The auxiliary verbs are used in forming the tenses, moods, and passive voice. Auxiliary verbs, we call it helping verbs also. If we make it more clear, they are helping verbs. They are helping the main verb to change the tense, the mood of the sentence, and the passive voice from active to passive voice. That is the job of auxiliary verbs. For example, if I give example about the tense, I play football. It is a sentence and which is in present tense. It is in present tense. Now, how should we change it into the present continuous tense? We need here auxiliary verbs. I am playing football. Over here, I have used an auxiliary verb. Obviously, with I, we use am. I am playing football. Now, total the tense has changed into present continuous tense. Here it was present simple tense. Now it is present continuous tense.